Hey guys, you know what? I want you to hear this cold start, man. This sounds so good. I am loving this car more and more, man. I'm loving this car more and more. More and more. All right. Good evening, everyone. It is Saturday night, and I have a lot of talking points for today. I just ordered a pizza for Vivian and myself. I'm gonna go pick it up from Little Caesars. Oh, I didn't bring a face mask. I have a shirt in the back I can put over my head, or my face. I mean my mouth. First thing I want to talk about, this video I'm going to announce the winner of the side markers. I have made a decision on which color I'm keeping, and I'm going to announce that at some random point in the video, so kind of, you know, pay attention. I'm gonna be using this website that randomizes all my YouTube comments and picks one, you know, randomly, obviously. So it should be pretty cool. That's my movie announcing voice. Oh, so thank you. A couple of you guys wished me happy birthday. I put it on my Instagram story a few days ago. Vivian put together a little thing at the house for me. Very nice. Got me an ice cream cake. I love ice cream cake. I did turn 25 years old. I know, 25 years old. What the fuck am I gonna do with myself now, man? My goals for this year, for this YouTube channel at least, I mean, I have personal goals. You know, I'm going to school still. Military pays tuition assistance, so they give me $4,500 a year to use towards classes, so obviously I've been, you know, using that. I'm going to Southern New Hampshire University online. But my other goals for the YouTube channel, I would like to hit 15,000 subscribers this year, and I would like to see my first, like, $1,000 month. So, you may be asking yourself, what am I gonna do with that cash money? Lots more giveaways. I really would like to do a lot more giveaways. I think this is a really fun thing. I actually gained a lot of subscribers from that video. I gained 135 subscribers that one day last Friday when I posted the giveaway videos. So I'm definitely going to do more of those. I'm actually going to purchase another set of those side markers, a certain configuration, and I'm going to give those away, I don't know, maybe the end of the month, early May, something like that. And then also, I am starting, I've mentioned this a couple videos ago, but I am starting a YouTube or an eBay series. And the eBay series is going to be, you know, just what it sounds. I'm gonna order a bunch of random stuff for our cars on eBay, both interior and exterior modifications. I'm gonna try them out, and obviously I'll tell you guys if they, you know, work well or not, if they look good, feel good, stuff like that. Let's boogie, man. That was only like 5 pounds of boost. Yeah, my car's super cool. My next video hopefully will be episode 1 of the eBay series. I have one thing that came in the mail. I'm just waiting on the second. Then yeah, it's all interior stuff, the first episode. So second episode will probably be a front lip, and then maybe after that some side skirt extensions. There's a lot of cool little things that, you know, we can get for our interior too, but at the same time I don't want to totally rice it out. Oh, another thing that I would like to give away, and I haven't even got one yet, but I like the thought of thinking that I'm gonna do a giveaway for eventually, is a shift knob, like a really nice shift knob, like one like this. I found that I saw some guy post that on the Facebook group 10th Gen Civics, and you know, obviously I asked him for the link, and I'm gonna get one of those because it looks pretty cool, and it's, you know, spice things up. I'm not really sure what the hype is about weighted shift knobs. I've heard a couple things saying that they, you know, just make the shifting experience more enjoyable, so I guess I'll have to figure that out for myself. Before I go pick up the pizza, I did make a decision on the wrap color, and I'm freaking excited, man. I can't wait. It's gonna be amazing. I'm actually gonna do that with Sergio. Sergio has a house. We're gonna use his garage. He's gonna help. It's gonna be awesome. I'm not gonna tell you guys what color I went with just yet. You guys will have to see. I would like to know in the comments, do you guys want me to do, like, I've been watching rap videos on YouTube, obviously, to get prepared for this. I've been watching a bunch of CK raps and premium auto styling and a bunch of other random videos. Is that something that you guys would like to see like very in-depth videos on? Or would you like to just see like a part 1, part 2, or just, you know, I'm definitely not gonna cram it all into one video because I know there's gonna be some interesting moments with that because I'm a noob, and you know, Sergio's definitely better at like car stuff in general than me. I'll just speak for myself. I'm a noob, okay? So it should be pretty comical. I've been spending like, I found myself last night, I found myself last night, I watched this 50-minute video of this guy wrapping a BMW front bumper. And it was very pleasing to watch. Like it's very soothing. It's a very enjoyable thing to watch. So I think I'm gonna do some like really long videos when we get to that. Hopefully that's gonna be next weekend. I'm gonna try to buy the wrap tonight. I just need to get together all the tools that I need. I need a heat gun, I need a squeegee with a certain like felt tip so I don't scratch the, you know, wrap while I'm putting it on. Knifeless tape, and there's a few other little things that I'm going to choose to get, but I really don't need any more than that, but I'm gonna choose to get all those parts because it'd be cool to have those tools for my future cars that I get, the future project cars that, you know, I may or may not acquire sometime this year, that we'll have to see. All right, I'm gonna get my pizza. I'll be right back. Damn, I just got one more entry for the giveaway. I did say 7 days I would cut it off, but you know, it's been like 7 days and, you know, 3 or 4 hours, whatever. Okay, so lots of visual modifications are coming. I want to get the wrap done first before I get, you know, the side skirt extensions and front lip. From what I understand, installing a front lip on the 10th gen Civic is actually kind of a pain because you have to take off something, I don't know. Is because you have to take off like a couple shields or plates or I don't know what they're freaking called, something under the car. I don't know if that's true, but I'm only gonna get like a little eBay lip and I'm gonna try that out, so it shouldn't be anything too complicated, I wouldn't think. But anyway, guys, I just want to say, I know I got shat on pretty hard by you guys. Well, maybe not you guys. I think most of you guys who are subscribed to me are pretty nice and reasonable, but felt good. I haven't put her down in a few days, man. I've only been driving like, a little bit here and there. Anyway, but I did get like shat on pretty hard whenever I mentioned something bad about the car in a video. And you know, I did say some things like I, you know, would prefer my 9th gen over this, which I want to, you know what? I'm gonna say right now, I'm loving this car, man. I am absolutely loving this car. I was just walking out with my pizza and I was looking at it, and I was looking at its bubble butt, and I was like, this is beautiful, man. Like, this is a beautiful car, and I actually am liking the paint color more and more. So I don't know, man. I just needed, like, I think I was just one of those guys where I liked the traditional Hondas, and this just seemed like too much for me. But I'm really loving this car, man. I'm really loving this car. Okay, so another thing. So next topic, I did hear back from MA Performance about my application to be on their street team. You know, basically you could call it getting sponsored, or I don't know. It's like their influencer team. So basically how it works is if I get accepted, if I refer one of you guys and you use my code when you purchase something with them and you spend over $200, I get points for that. And then after, like, you know, a certain amount of points, I get this, and a certain amount of more points, I get that. So that would be a really cool way be able to buy more modifications. But anyway, the guy from MA Performance said they're low on manning right now, which I understand. So their offices are pretty low staffed, and it might be a while before they get to my, you know, submission. So, which I don't really think. I mean, I might not even purchase an intercooler this month because it might not even be this month that I purchase the intercooler. You know, the wrap is going to cost me about $350 to $400. You know, I'm gonna get probably about 50 feet of wrap. But interesting thing, the MA Performance guy said, like, in the meantime, can I get you hooked up with some parts? And I said, yeah, sure. I'm looking at the front pipe, down pipe combo, eventually, intercooler, and clutch. And then he said, honestly, I would go with PRL over Mishimoto because they have a really good relationship with them, I guess. So, that's very interesting because I'd been thinking really hard about the Mishimoto intake because, pretty much because of this picture right here, which I already showed you guys last vlog of Devon. His car looks amazing. All right, I'll see you inside and I'm going to pick the winner. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna copy and paste the URL for the video. Then I'm gonna go to this website called pickawinner.co. I'm gonna paste the link. And here we go. Now we'll just pick all of them. Pick a winner. Cool. So, Michael Felt. Awesome. Congratulations, Michael. I will comment on this video. Actually, here, I'll give you my email. Email me here. Once I, get your address, I'll mail them out tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna do another one of those real soon. I'm gonna order another set of those side markers. I'll probably do the amber ones this time, because I'm gonna keep the amber, actually. So I'm gonna give away the clear LEDs, and I'll give away a set of smoked with amber, I don't know, maybe the end of the month, early May, something like that. So anyway, that's all I have for today, and thank you for watching. I'm actually about to go race a WRX today, so that video will be out next. See you guys soon.